Welcome back. Let's get you the very latest coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where back to back we have seen terror attacks that have been perpetrated by cowardly Pakistan. The Prime Minister earlier today has shared a very crucial meet on the on-ground situation in Jammu. Now, this meeting was attended by the Home Minister Amit Shah, the NSA Ajit Doval and other senior officials who actually provided a comprehensive oversight of the security situation to the Prime Minister. Also, sources telling us that the Prime Minister was apprised by the counter-terror operation, which is currently underway as we speak. On your screens are 4 days, 4 attacks, the locations that we are talking about, right from Riyasi to multiple attacks that we've seen in Doda on 2 days, and then the attack also in Kathua. This has led to a toll also. Some terrorists, remember, have also been neutralized as far as our forces are concerned. And the recent encounter between terrorists and forces in the Tanta area of the Doda district does mark the 4th attack in the valley within just the past 4 days. Terrorists opened fire on a search team that was deployed in a village. This is a Ganda area, to which security forces retaliated. And in this heavy exchange of fire, policeman did sustain injuries. He was rushed to the hospital, where he right now is undergoing treatment. And following the late-night attack, we've also seen the attack in Doda, where security forces again launched a large-scale manhunt to apprehend the terrorists.
बुलेट इंजरी हुई थी, पेशेंट स्टेबल है, इनको एक चेस्ट में एक बुलेट इंजरी और एक लेग में है। पेशेंट अभी ऑपरेशन थिएटर में है और स्टेबल है।
We still have problem with our neighbor, and the problem with neighbor will not be solved by military action. Unless we talk to our neighbors, we will not be able to solve. These terrorists are coming over the border, and they continue to come. Whichever government tomorrow is in here, we'll have to still face the same thing. We have a yatra coming now, which is a major yatra. Any small incident that might take place in that will be blown up in the rest of the country. And we Kashmiris are not responsible for these things. We have never favored these things.
मैं ये समझता हूं कि जिनको गवर्नमेंट करनी है, जो गवर्नमेंट कर रहे हैं, उनको फैसला करना है कि उनको क्या करना है। नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने कहा है कि डायलॉग इज द ओनली सॉल्यूशन जिसमें जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को बचाया जा सकता है। ये ड्रामा कर रहे हैं, ये कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो लोगों को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं। इलेक्शन हो गया, अब गवर्नमेंट दोबारा बनी है, दे शुड एक्ट।
And there has been a lot of anger, especially against the comment you've heard from Farooq Abdullah in Jammu. The Youth Rajput Sabha members also hit the streets earlier, condemning that statement and also saying that there should be stringent action against Pakistan.
Right now you can see agitated people are here out on the street. You are Rajput Sabha holding the effigy of Pakistan. They're raising slogans against Pakistan. They're saying it is because of Pakistan sponsored terrorism. That for the last several years that they are suffering. They're raising slogans. They say that Pakistan needs to be taught a lesson.
मुंह तोड़ जवाब देने के लिए जम्मू का डुग्गर समाज पूरा तैयार हो चुका है। हम अपनी सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के साथ खड़े हैं। हम सीधा बोलना चाहते हैं सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को, ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देने का वक्त आ चुका है। अगर आज भी हमारी फोर्सेस को जो हाथ है खुले नहीं रखेंगे तो ऐसा ना हो कि लोगों को हथियार उठाना पड़े।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? हम कहना चाहते हैं, अगर जो हमारे चुने हुए नुमाइंदे हैं वो अगर हमारे जम्मू की बात नहीं कर सकते तो वो हमारे लिए कोई कुछ नहीं है। हमें सबसे पहले अपना जम्मू सेव चाहिए। And here's right now you can see effigy of Pakistan is being burned and they are raising slogans.
So you just heard what the people there have to say, and as forces intensify the anti-terror operation, security on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway has also been heightened, resulting in a lot of Naka bandobast that has been set up by the J&K police along with the security forces. Almost every vehicle that is passing through on the highway has to show their identity cards. Vehicles are being thoroughly checked by the forces.
लगातार एक के बाद एक 4 टेरर अटैक 4 दिन में, जिसकी वजह से इस समय सुरक्षा बल जो है अलर्ट मोड पर है, क्योंकि एडवाइजरी इश्यू कर दी गई है। कमांडर्स को कहा गया है कि आपको अलर्ट रहना होगा। इनपुट्स है कि हो सकता है कि आतंकवादी आने वाले कुछ घंटों में फिदाइन अटैक भी कर सकते हैं। सिक्योरिटी इंस्टॉलेशन के अंदर जाके ज्यादा से ज्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते हैं। हमने देखा है कि किस तरीके से जून 9 को पहले उन्होंने एक यात्री की गाड़ी को निशाना बनाया, जिसमें 9 यात्रियों की जान चली गई और 33 के करीब जो जख्मी हुए, और जो कि पुलिस की गाड़ियां जगह जगह पे सेंसिटिव एरियाज में जा रही हैं और उन एरियाज में लोगों से कह रही है कि आपको चौकन्ना रहना होगा। अगर कोई भी चीज आप लावारिस पड़ी हुई पाएंगे तो एकदम सुरक्षा एजेंसीज को बता दें। उसके अलावा उन्हें यह भी कहा जा रहा है कि अगर कोई सस्पिशियस मूवमेंट देखते हैं तो वो एकदम पुलिस पार्टी को इन्फॉर्म करें ताकि एकदम रिएक्ट किया जाए।
We also have a quick breaking update on the investigation so far. We do know that about 50 suspects have been detained in connection with the terror attack on pilgrims in Riyasi. There has been a significant lead that has been uncovered, helping in the identification and the capture of those who may have been potentially involved in orchestrating the entire attack. Now, to also ensure a comprehensive probe, search operations have been expanded to encompass the far-flung areas also there. And do remember, this is also coming in the backdrop of the all-important meeting that the Prime Minister also chaired a little earlier, looking at all the security arrangements and our operations on Ground Zero.